Hello sir, my name is Raj Parikh. My roll number is 21CS30039 and for my DIY assignment 3, I will show the disassembly and the assembly of this induction cook stove, and then I will disassemble it and show all the working principle and all the materials which it is made up of. So now let me show you how this induction cook stove works. Now I have switched on. As you can see, it has started working, and if I pour some water, the water will start boiling. So now as you can see, the fumes have started coming and the water has started boiling. So now I have disassembled the induction cook stove, and let us see what all components are there inside the induction cook stove. So first of all, we have here the control panel. This control panel is connected with all the switches on the front side. Then we have the 180 volt DC fan over here. Then this is the induction coil, which is made up of copper. This silver thing we see over here, it is the heat sink, and it is made up of aluminium. And behind the induction coil there is the motherboard, and on the front side, the top, it is the ceramic glass plate. So now let us see what all are the different uses of the different components and the working principle of the induction cook stove. So first of all, when we switch on the AC power supply, the current flows through the induction coil, and due to the magnetic effect of the current, an oscillating magnetic field is produced. And this ceramic glass plate, it is a bad conductor of electricity, but when we put our cooking utensils, such as which is made up of stainless steel, eddy currents are produced in the cooking utensils, and due to the heating effect of the eddy currents, our vessel gets heated. This heat sink which we see behind the induction coil, this heat sink disperses the heat from the various components of the circuit to the surrounding medium, and it therefore increases the performance and also the reliability of the induction cook stove. This fan is used for cooling our whole system, which is inside the induction cook stove. Here on the top, this is the thermistor or the thermostat, and this thermostat is basically it actually touches the ceramic glass plate, and it measures the temperature of the ceramic glass plate, so that we know what the temperature at what temperature it is going to be heated. The motherboard is the main part of the induction stove. It controls all the functions which happen inside the induction stove. As we can see that all the connections are made to the motherboard. Even the control panel, the induction coil, the heat sink and even the fan are all connected to the motherboard. And now I am going to reassemble this induction cook stove. So now I have reassembled the induction cook stove, and now we will see if it is working or not. So as we can see, it is working. Let's switch it on. So as you can see, it is still working and the water is boiling.